you have a scene partner who you can just pay attention to and tune into and listen to and know that you will end up in the most honest, authentic place with. And that's Florence, and that's Ren. And I think it's, yeah, and I think as soon as we, yeah, do it. Yeah. And I think as soon as I recognized that I didn't have to rev my own, and I didn't just pull the fucking, sometimes you have to pull the fucking thing, oh my gosh, goose myself into fucking doing something. And that's a shitty feeling when you're opposite someone who won't even do off-camera lines with you sometimes. There are actors who don't want to do their off-camera lines, which is absolutely insane to me, because it's the best, because then you get no pressure on you, and you're just watching an exquisite actor work.
The bathing scene. It was amazing. It was. The experience was, you saw 7 minutes of it. We did 15-minute births, 8 times. It was insane, it was amazing. The only problem was I didn't have a baby that came out, so I was just so exhausted and sweaty and tired, and I got no endorphins or anything. She would be teaching me about the different sounds and where it would fall and how it would land on this and that and where it would be hurting. And it was just so fascinating. And so when we were actually doing it, she'd come in and we'd crouch down and be like, okay, so when you get to the next bit, it's like, ooh. Okay. And so we would get notes from a midwife about the birth. It was so amazing. And then we'd go again. And it was just once you were on this roller coaster, we were off, and it wouldn't stop until John said cut and until that baby came through my legs. It was amazing. Tiring, amazing, exhausting, so beautiful to watch, because it is just all of it. Every single scene, even the hardest things you could possibly imagine that you'd ever have to say to anyone in your life or hear that news. It was so enjoyable to be dancing that dance with all these people involved. It felt like we'd been given this gift and this reward, and we were allowed to enjoy it, which is just such a magical feeling.
To prepare for the roles around that issue or concern.
Okay, I go first. It's one of those scripts where so much was taken care of already. The writing was